This is Invisimatte Blotting Paper. This ultra-portable blotting paper lets you touch up in stealth mode. It comes in a super chic, refillable compact that looks like a lipstick case. It even has a mirror. Rihanna loves the feminine look of the pinky nude paper. Its continuous scroll lets you choose the perfect size sheet every time. I love it because you can lift away shine while leaving the makeup perfectly untouched. I'm going to show you how to load your Invisimatte blotting paper. Right where it says Fenty Beauty, lift up. Inside, you'll find another cartridge. Take your scroll of Fenty blotting paper, drop it in, close the bottom lid, pull the paper, hold down on the Fenty logo, and you get the desired sheet of paper you want.